Hey, we got our third pass on this motor. We pulled it to 6,500 and it made horsepower to 64, well again, all the way. And it made 968 horsepower and it made 892 foot-pounds of torque, all at 3,900 RPM. That is one badass engine. Hey, I keep telling you everybody, we are the Godzilla engine builders. You're looking for a Godzilla motor, you found us. You got the bankroll, we can build you whatever you want. Peace. All right, we're gonna do our final pass on the 67 Eleanor engine. It's a 7.3 Godzilla Supercharged. I would like to thank Will from Nutek Performance for helping us with the tune. He's out in Canada. He's actually tuning one of our cars right now, and he was ecstatic with how much horsepower it made, and he's helping us with this one, and we're gonna do a final pass. We're gonna pull to about 6,500, and this one belongs to Michael. Hey Mike, you're gonna love it.